Hello, and thank you very much for taking a look at our Excel model specific for the vegan restaurant. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Excel file to show you how it's used, and it's very simple. It is a question and answer based model. So all the questions, everything you need to input generally is right here on this one tab, and it flows through all the other documents seamlessly. Here you indicate how much you're going to be investing in equity, how much you're going to be providing as obtaining as a bank loan, and you can adjust this specifically if you're just looking for an investor. So if you enter 0, you'll notice that these questions will disappear, and that way you can just put in the amount of money that you're looking to raise specifically from an investor. For the purposes of this template, we have it set as $20,000 coming from the owner or investors and a $115,000 bank loan. You can change the anticipated terms if you are looking for a loan from a bank or from a private investor. And I'll show you where that's shown. Give me 1 second here. That goes to loan amortization. So instead of having it as a 7-year loan, let's change it to a 10-year loan and see what happens. And as you can see, it adjusted to 10 years and everything else automatically updated, including the expected payment. Well, I'll set that back at 7. Here you indicate the number of entrees you'll be selling each month and the anticipated price. Beverages, also how many units you intend to sell and their average price, and as well as for catering. If for some reason you're not going to be doing catering, you would just enter in 0 in both of these numbers, and that would be removed from the plan. Just to show you how this works, under yearly sales, we have it initially set at $360,000 for food. Let's say you're going to be a much larger restaurant and you're going to be doing 3,000 entrees per month. As you can see, this automatically updated, and it flows throughout the rest of the document as well. I'll set that back at 2,000. You can adjust the seasonality. We have it set as sort of just a standard 20, 25, 27, 28, but you can break this down however you anticipate that your organization will generate its revenues on a quarterly basis. Cost of goods sold for each category, you can indicate the underlying cost. So on food sales, we have it set at 25, beverage sales at 20% of underlying cost, catering sales at 30. You can enter in your growth rate here, which again flows directly to these two tabs here, or 2 cells, excuse me. Let's say you want to change it to 15%. And as you can see, it automatically updated. Here you provide a breakdown of how you intend to use the funds you're looking to raise. There are several categories: leasing, leasehold improvements, working capital. You can adjust these categories and the amounts, and those flow through right here to to this table right here, and it automatically adjusts on the balance sheet for you. Here are your ongoing expenses, general administrative costs, marketing expenses, CPA fees. Once you add these in its growth rate, those will automatically go directly to this here. Oops, skipped a page. And then just some other breakdown questions regarding your cash flow and your breakdown of your marketing. From there, you simply enter in the personnel. You can change the titles and their yearly salaries. As you'll note, there are a number of different notations directly in this. That way you don't have to skip back and forth to an instructions page. All of the information on how to modify it is right in the document. And once you do that, out comes your profit and loss statement. Expanded profit and loss statements, these are calculated automatically. For the first year, it's monthly. For year 2, it's quarterly. For year 3, it's quarterly. The cash flow analysis, again, completely done automated. And the same thing with the cash flow analysis. Year 1, it's shown monthly, and year 2, it's shown quarterly as well as year 3. The balance sheet, break-even analysis, business ratios, and that's pretty much it. And that seamlessly ties into the Word document that's shown on another video. I encourage you to take a look at that one, and these also can easily be transferred into the accompanying PowerPoint as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us anytime via the live chat or through our Contact Us page. Thank you very much for taking a look.